Hello, welcome to my channel, dear students. Today I will take some example of the question related to mole concept which are already asked in NEET exam since 2025, 2024, 2023 and 2022. So I have seen the paper today and found that the question which are asked in the NEET exam are very simple. Here we teach you some higher level, but if you practice regularly, you will find that the NEET question will be more easier for you and time saving. So let us start. Take some previous year question. Number first. This question is asked NEET 2020. Question is, which one of the following has maximum number of atoms? This is the question, and alternates are: number A, 1 gram of magnesium, atomic weight 24. Second option is 1 gram of oxygen, this is gas, this is solid, और एटॉमिक वेट ऑक्सीजन का 16. नंबर थर्ड सी, 1 ग्राम lithium, this is also solid and atomic weight is given 7. And D option is 1 gram of silver, this is solid, atomic weight of silver is 108. So this question is asked in 2020, which is very simple. Find which of the following has the maximum number of atoms. Maximum number of atoms, weight is same: 1 gram magnesium, 1 gram oxygen gas, 1 gram lithium metal, 1 gram silver metal. Among these, which one have the maximum moles that will have the maximum atoms? So let us see. A, in the case of A, 1 gram of magnesium, इसका मतलब नंबर ऑफ ग्राम एटम mg का, दिस इज वेट ऑफ mg, 1 ग्राम डिवाइडेड बाई एटॉमिक वेट 24, that is 1/24 gram atom. Now we multiply by the Avogadro number, you will get the number of atoms. So number of magnesium atom equal to 1/24 into n. Similarly for B, in case of B, number of gram moles, because it is a molecule, oxygen gas is a molecule, this is atom, this is element. So number of gram moles of oxygen, weight of oxygen 1 gram, molecular weight 32, O2 diatomic 16 atomic weight है तो molecular weight 32. Then number of molecules of oxygen Since it is a diatomic, yesterday we had told you that if it is diatomic, then multiply by 2 in the number of molecules, you will get the number of gram moles this. So number of molecule 1 by 32 into n. N is Avogadro number, this is molecules. Molecules. Then number of atoms of oxygen multiply by 2. It is diatomic. 1 by 32 into n into 2. This is atoms. So it will come 1 by 16n. Here 1 by 24n, B 1 by, then let us see for C. 1 gram lithium. This is a element. So direct gram atom of lithium. This is weight of lithium, that is same 1 gram divided by atomic weight 1 by 7. This is the gram atom. Then again number of atoms, if you have find out, multiply by the Avogadro number n. The number of atoms of lithium 1 by 7 into n. So here 1 by 7 into n. A answer is 1 by 24n, B is 1 by 16n, C is 1 by 7n. Then D. What about D? Gram atom, again it is an element of silver. This will weight divided by atomic weight 1 by 8. This is gram atom. Again number of atoms multiply by the Avogadro number. Number of atoms of silver equal to 1 by 108 into n. So number of atom of silver is this. So there are A means this is 1 by 24 and n is same in all. So which one is higher? 1 by 7 value is more than 1 by 108, 1 by 24, 1 by 16. It means number of atom in the case of lithium are more than this and this. So the answer is C. C. It means lithium, 1 gram of lithium contains n by 7 atoms which are higher among all other options. So this is very simple. I have told you yesterday. Next. This is question asked in 2020. Now we take one other question. The question is, this is asked NEET 2022. Question is, in 1 molar solution, that contains 0.5 moles of solute. There is and option is number A, 500 ml solvent. Option B, 500 gram solvent. Number C, 100 ml solvent. Next, option D, 100 gram solvent. Actually, this belongs to mole concept, but here you must know about the concentration. I will tell you how the concentration of the solution is defined in the terms of molarity, gram per liter, mole fraction. But here, since molar solution is frequently used in this chapter, so I will tell you here about the molar solution. What is molar solution? Molar solution. Molar solution stands for 1 gram mole in 1 liter solution. Molar solution means solution having molarity 1. This is molar solution. Any solution which have the molarity 1 is molar solution. Then what is the molarity? Let me tell you. In solution is made of solvent plus solute. Solute is dissolved in the solvent and both makes solution. So, if in any solution, if we define the concentration means how much solute is present in the solution, or what is the ratio of solute and solvent in the solution is the concentration of the solution. So, molarity is defined as number of gram moles of solute. This is very important. Number of gram moles of solute present in 1 liter solution. That is, two terms are important. 1 liter solution, this is suppose 1 liter container. This contains solvent plus solute. There are two constituents present in the solution. So, how much solute is dissolved in this solvent? So, number of gram moles of solute present in this solution is called the molarity. So, 1 molarity का मतलब क्या हुआ? What is the mean of molar solution? Molar solution means molarity 1. Molarity is 1 and it is written as 1 or capital M. This is 1M. 1M means as per molarity definition number of moles, yani 1 gram moles of solute is present in 1 liter. 1 liter बोले oblique 1000 ml solution. 1M or molar solution stands for 1 gram mole solute present in 1000 ml solution. It means 1 liter solution contains 1 gram moles. Now the question is, in 1 molar solution that contains 0.5 mole of solute. So here 1 gram mole is present in 1000 ml. तो अगर यहाँ पे 0.5 gram mole, then how will be the volume of solution? So 1000 into 0.5, this is the ml, equal to 500 ml. The answer is 500 ml solution. So where is 500? 500 ml. 500 ml solution. But here But here 500 ml. Here one thing is notice, then if it is molar solution, then the question will change. If it is molar solution, then molality is defined in small m, and it is the number of gram moles present in 1000 gram, that is 1 kg of solvent. If it is molar, if it is molar, then 1 m solution stand for 1 gram mole solute present in 1000 gram solvent. Therefore 0.5 gram mole. So similarly 1000 gram into 0.5, that is 500 gram solvent. Here the quantity is very less. So if we take molar, then this will be solution. The second type question, not solvent. This will be solution. This will be solution. Solution in the solution. If we define molar, then we take the solution volume. If we take the molality, this is molar solution. The molality is defined small m, molality is defined capital M. The molar solution means 1 gram solute present in 100 gram, 1000 gram solvent. It means molality is defined the ratio of solute and solvent, and molarity is defined the presence of solute in the solution. So here in both cases, if it is molarity, then 500 ml solution. If it is molar solution, then 500 mole solvent. So A is correct. Here in the question it is molar, but I have told you if it will molar, then what happened? Then this 500 ml will be solution, not solvent, because molarity is defined in the terms of solute and solution, and molality is defined in the terms of, in the ratio of solute and solvent. So here A is correct. I will tell you in the next chapter about the concentration of solution, in which you will see normality of the solution, molarity of the solution, molality. This is also called strength of the solution, which is also the base of the other chemical reactions or other chemical numericals. So here I have just given you a small detail about the molality and molarity. Next. This question is 2025 NEET. The question is, among the following, choose the ones with equal number of atoms. With equal number of atoms. There are 4 options. You have to choose which has the same number of atoms. The A is 212 gram sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Molar mass means molar mass दिया है. Molar mass is 106 gram. The set B is 248 gram of Na2O. This is solid, this is solid. The molar volume, इसका भी molar volume, molar mass is given as 62 gram. Then C, 240 gram of NaOH. This is also solid, sodium hydroxide. Molar mass 40 gram. Then D, 12 gram hydrogen gas. Molar mass 2. Molar mass 2 gram. And E is 220 gram of CO2 गैस, और इसका मोलर मास है, मोलर मास इज गिवन 44 gram. So among the following choose the one with equal of number of atoms. There are 5 A, B, C, D in which 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or all are have the same atom. So you have to choose. Alternates are, first alternate है B, C, D, B, C and D. It means B, C and D have the same number of atoms. Then second option is B, D, E. And third option is A, B, C. And fourth option is A, B, D. So there are 5 samples are given in which more than one have the same number of atoms. So you have to find out either A, B, C or B, C, D or A, B, D which have the same. 3 option means at least among the 5, 3 have the same number of atoms. So you have to find out number of atoms, all the 5, and then you will check which have the same atom. So now we will discuss this problem. Here, number first, 112 gram of sodium carbonate. Molar mass is 106. Molar mass means mass of 1 mole. Mass of 1 mole means weight in gram, and this is the molecular weight. Molar mass here, molar mass means mass of 1 mole, mass of 1 gram mole. This stands. Molar mass means mass of 1 gram mole. तो 1 gram mole का weight it is given 106 gram. 106 weight is 106. So you know gram moles equal to weight or divided by molecular weight. So number of moles 1, weight 106. So what is the molecular weight? Molecular weight will also the 106. So molar mass means how much gram is given, that is weight is the molecular or atomic mass. Here this is molecule, this is a compound, that is 106 is a molecular weight. So let us see. This is the molecular weight of this. This is the molecular weight 62 of this. NaOH, this is the molecular weight. H2, this is the molecular weight. Hydrogen का molecular weight 2. Carbon dioxide molecular weight of 45. Understood? What is the term? Molar mass. Molar mass means mass of 1 mole. So now we will check the number of atoms. I will tell you in short. Number first A. 112 gram sodium carbonate. Molecular weight 106. This stands for molecular weight 106. So weight divided by molecular weight. Weight divided by molecular weight will give number of moles. तो A का नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितना हो जाएगा? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ sodium carbonate Na2CO3. This will be 212 divided weight in grams divided by molecular weight 106, that is 2 gram moles. 2 moles. 2 moles. Now the question is, among the following, choose the one with the equal number of atoms. Now this is the mole, 2 moles. And you see in sodium carbonate how many atoms? 2 atoms of sodium, 1 atom of carbon and 3 atom of oxygen. So 2 plus 1 carbon plus 3 oxygen, total is 6 atoms. In sodium carbonate there is 6 atoms, 2 of sodium, 1 of carbon, 3 of oxygen, so total is 6. So here the number of atoms, here it is not compulsion that the atom should be only from sodium. Total number means all the atoms of all elements present in this compound. So number of atoms 2 into 6, that is 12. 12N. Because this is the mole, multiply by N you will get molecule, and then multiply by 6 you will get the number of atoms, the 12N. Similarly, in case of B, number of atoms, similarly you can calculate. Similarly, number of atoms of Na2O, this will be, Na2O, weight 248 divided by molecular weight 62 into, this is the gram mole, multiplied by N, you will get moles. And atom, 2 sodium, 1 oxygen, 2 plus 1, that is 3, multiplied by 3. This is the number of atoms of in Na2O. This will be 4 times, ये आ गया 12N. 12N. Here 12N, here 12N. It means both are same. In both cases atoms are same. 12N. N for Avogadro number. N stand for Avogadro number. Then number C. We check for C. Number of atoms. I will directly calculate. You check weight 240 divided by molecular weight 40. This is the mole, multiplied by N Avogadro number, you will get molecule, and multiply the number of atoms present in the one molecule of compound. So here 1 sodium, 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen, that is 3. So multiplied by 3. So here 6, 18. This is 18N. Here the number of atoms is 18N. Here 12M, here 12M, here 18. Then D, for D, you see, then D में number of atoms. Number of atoms, here weight 12 divided by molecular weight 2. This is the molecular weight, similar as above. Molecular weight 2. This is number of moles into N, number of molecules, into how many atoms in one molecule H2, it is a diatomic. It means one molecule consists two atoms. So multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. So this is 6 into 2, 12n. This is also 12n. It means this is 12n, this is 12n, this is 12n, this is 18n. So these three have the same number of atoms. Then we again check for E. What is the position of E? So E is number of atoms. This is weight 220 divided by molar mass यानी molecular weight CO2 का 44. This is the number of moles multiplied by N. You will get molecules, and one molecule of CO2 contains 3 atoms, 1 carbon plus 2 oxygen, total 3 हो गया ना, multiplied by 3. This is the number of atoms. First we convert mole, then multiply by N, you will get molecule, and then how many atoms are present in one molecule? That is 3. So multiply by 3, you will get the number of atoms. So here 5 times 5 is 15. This is 15n. So here we have calculated the number of atoms in all A, B, C, D, E, all 5 cases. Now the question is one with equal number of atoms. Equal number of atoms. इसके किसके किसके number of atoms are equal? So number A 12n, number B 12n, यानी A B सेम है, और फिर C 18n not same, D 12n same, और E 15n not same. So the same is A B D. So the option is A B D. This A B and D have the same number of atoms in the given weight and molar volume of different compounds. So now it is clear?
Yes.
First you calculate the number of moles, then multiplied by n Avogadro number. Avogadro number I have already told you, n equal to 6.022 into 10 की power 23. It means 1 gram mole of any compound consists 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. So this is molecules, and how much atoms are present in one molecule? Check every compound and multiply the number. You will get the number of atoms. So I think now it is clear. It is very easy. Just understood the term used, molar volume. Molar volume 40. It means molecular weight is 40. Okay? I think you have understood the basics of the chapters, mole concept, which I have told you earlier. Next, we take one more question.
सूट करेंगे
कर सकते. One more question. This is NEET 24. NEET 2024. This question is asked from the chapter mole concept. The question is, the highest number of helium atoms. The highest atoms of helium atoms, the highest numbers, not atom, the highest number of helium atoms is in. This is the question. You have to find out maximum a highest number of helium in the given option. The option are number A 4 mole of helium. B is 4 U of helium. C 4 gram of helium. D 2.271098 liter of helium at STP, standard temperature intensity. There are 4 concentration of helium are given, 4 in different terms. 4 moles, this is in the terms of mole. 4 4 U of helium. U stand for AMU, atomic mass unit. I have told you AMU, atomic mass unit. Then next is 4 gram of helium, and this is in the terms of STP, molar volume. Helium is a gas, so STP, at STP helium occupied this volume, or you have already know that 22.4 liter of helium occupied 1 gram mole at STP. So now we find out the helium atom in each case, and highest, which have the highest, we have to choose. Let us check. First, in case of A, 4 moles of helium. 4 moles, that is gram moles. Moles and gram moles are the same, but correct term is gram moles, because we take the weight in grams. If we take the molar mass in pound, then pound moles. If we take the molar mass in kg, then it will be kg moles. So 4 gram moles. 4 gram moles means equivalent to 4 gram moles. Moles is multiplied by Avogadro number, you will get the molecule. It means 4 into n. This is number of molecules. This will be the molecule, and again multiply by the number of helium is a monatomic gas. So 1 molecule of helium consists 1 atom. So same number of molecule and same number of atoms in this case. So 4 into n, since helium is monoatomic. Monoatomic means 1 molecule has 1 atom. This is monoatomic. So into 1, this is the number of atoms. And 4 into 6.023, 22 into 10 power 23. These are the atoms in first case. यानी चॉइस को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 88024 पॉइंट इतने इंटू 10 के पावर 23 एटम्स. So you can write here 24 into 10 की power 23 atoms. Then B, in case of B, 4U, it means 4 AMU. 4 AMU, 4 atomic mass unit. So 4 AMU means 1 gram mole. 1 mole. That is n molecules. Then C, 4 grams. 4 grams helium. 4 gram helium से gram moles weight divided by molecule, that is 1 gram mole. 1 gram moles, that is 1 into n molecules. That is 1 into n into 1 atom, because it is a monoatomic. यानी 6.023 into 10 की power 23 atoms. and then last D. 2 point STP पे वॉल्यूम कितना, वॉल्यूम 2.271098 लीटर at STP. From the previous chapter, I have told you molar volume. At STP, any gas occupied 22.4 liter of volume. So if we divide it by the number of moles of helium, this is 2.271098 divided by 22.4. If we divide it by 2.4, that is molar volume. Molar volume means volume occupied by 1 mole. So number of mole, we divided by 22.4, you will get the moles. So moles, it will be around 0.1. Around 0.1 moles. 0.1 moles divided by, multiplied by n, that will give molecules, and again multiplied by 1, you will get atom. It means 0.1 into 6.023 into 10 की power 23 atom. So here all the values, number in case of first 24 into 10 की power 3, in B 1 gram mole, in C 6.023, in D 0.1 into 6.023. So higher value is this. So the option is A is correct. So 4 gram helium has the maximum number of atoms. So this is the procedure. I have told you earlier, if the volume at STP is given, divided by 22.4, you will get the number of moles. So this is the method. This is also very easy question. You have to practice all such type of questions. I will give you one question sheet, one question paper in our next lectures. So you have to practice this question.
Was not.
One question I am giving you. You try to solve in the next lecture. Question, this is asked in 2024. 2024. Question is 1 gram of hydrogen. Question, 1 gram of hydrogen H2 has same number of molecules. Same number of molecules. And it means 1 gram hydrogen has some number of molecules which is equal to the given option. You have find out in the given option which have the same molecules. Number first alternate is as in, molecule as in. As in में ऑप्शन है 14 ग्राम N2, 14 ग्राम नाइट्रोजन गैस. बी ऑप्शन 18 ग्राम H2O, that is water. Number C 16 ग्राम CO, 16 ग्राम कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. डी 28 ग्राम N2, 28 ग्राम N2. It is very easy. (28 gram of N2). So this is the question. Question is number of molecules. The same number of molecules as in 1 gram of H2. You have to find out in which have the same value. So number first we calculate the number of molecules in 1 gram of H2. Then we calculate these and which is the same value, that will be the answer. So let us see. I will tell you in short. 1 gram hydrogen equivalent to 1/2 gram moles. 1/2 means one weight in gram divided by molecular weight. Hydrogen is diatomic, so molecular weight of H2 is 1:2, that is 2. So 1/2 gram moles. 1/2 gram moles. A gram moles is again multiplied by n. You will get the number of molecules. So 1/2 into n. And this is the number of, here value of an Avogadro number same 6.023 into 10 power 23. Here we will write n, that is understood. So 1 gram of H2 contains n/2 molecules. So now we find out in all cases which have the n/2 molecule. Let us see. Number first, 14 gram nitrogen. It means this is equivalent to weight 14, molecular weight of nitrogen 28. This is number of gram mole multiplied by n, that is n/2. This is the same. The next 18 gram of H2. 18 gram of H2 का मतलब weight of H2 18, molecular is also 18. This is the gram moles multiplied by n. So number of molecules, that is n molecules. N molecules. In the case of third, weight in grams 16 divided by CO 12 into 16 28. 28. This is the gram mole into n. So you will get 4/7 n. Here 28 gram of nitrogen. So 28 divided by 28 molecular into n number of molecules, that is n. So all are different. Here 1 gram H2 contains n/2 molecules. So n/2 is in the case of first. So this answer. This is n, no. 4/7, no. N, no. So the same number of molecules as in 1 gram of H2 is the same as 14 gram of nitrogen, that is n/2. So first is correct. Now I think you have gone through the different problems which are asked in the previous paper, which are very easy. If you practice it regularly, it will solve in very short time. Not need to solve in a long. You just write in single line and you will get the answer, save the time. So if you have any problem related to these questions, you please write me at my mail ID Shailendra Katiyar ST in continuation @yahoo.com. I will reply sure to all your questions, or if you have any other problem related to numerical from the other chapters, I will also help you. For my next video, you will subscribe my channel and press bell icon for the notification. In the next chapter, I will take the questions of JEE Main and Advanced which are asked from the mole concept. Till then, bye bye.